All right, so let's quickly look at a way of writing your own paychecks and earning instant incomes, instant commissions online. So I'm just going to make this very short. So these are the three things that you really need to just keep on making money consistently online and writing your own paychecks, so you don't have to wait for your business or the company you work for to write your paycheck. So these are things you need to do. The first thing is to make sure you are promoting a digital product. Right now, for you to promote a digital product, you need to have simple a phone or a laptop, and then internet. Very, very important. So you need a phone, you need a laptop, and then you need internet, or just a smartphone and internet is enough, right? And most of us have a smartphone and internet, almost everybody, right? As long as you are using an iPhone or an Android phone, you have that capability. So once you have your smartphone and then your internet, the next thing you need right now is the product, the digital product. Now, I was very emphatic about digital products. And the reason I say digital product is this, is far easier to sell online than physical products, right? Now, with physical products like what you have on Amazon or Walmart, those products needs to be manufactured. They need to be, even after being sold, they need to be shipped. And then the customers could say they don't like it or something, and then after a week or so or a month, they just return the product, and then you are not making money. So, and then apart from even that fact, with a lot of physical products, the commission payment is very, very low, right? And that's very important, because we don't get a lot of sales online like that. The way people think we make a lot of sales, right? It's not always like that, right? There's a process towards sales. So when you make sale, you want to make good amount of money. So you don't want to make very low commission. Like when you go on Amazon, you'll be making commission of 5%. Something as low as that doesn't make you quick money, right? Now, but if it's digital products, you could earn commissions up to 80%. Do you understand that? So that means if the product is selling for, let's say, $25, you're already making $20, right? And just imagine if it's now selling for higher than that. That means you're making more money. So digital product is the best, because one, they don't need to manufacture it over and over again, right? One, they don't need to ship it. Very important, right? So nobody is packaging it, shipping it. When you sell a digital product right now, you are instantly getting paid. You get what I mean, right? You actually see your commission immediately. And the refund rate is very, very low for digital products, so which is good, right? So stick to digital products, okay? Now, after you talk of digital product, the next thing you need is an automated system. Now, you don't have to set up the automated system. If you want, you could do that, but it wastes your time, right? Because you want to focus on marketing the product. You want to focus on referring people to the product. You want to focus on those things that bring customers to the product. You don't want to be focused on the system itself, right? So when you promote, when you want to really make money online and make it fast, you want the business or the companies that have those products to have an automated system already done, so that you don't have to focus on that. So make sure you promote products that, or businesses that have automated systems, right? Now, what do I mean by automated system? You see, when you go out and you start recommending product to people to the website, because what you are just doing is simple. You are only recommending people to that company's or business website, right? Now, when they come to the website, what do? They usually put in their name and email, okay? Now, that is where your job should end. You shouldn't go beyond that side. But after that side is a whole complex things that you don't want to be involved in. All right? And I mean it, right? You don't want to be involved with the other things, the follow-ups, the webinars, the conversions, the sales. You don't want to do all those things, right? So you want a system that is fully automated, completely done for you. They do all the follow-up by themselves, right? So they follow up by email, follow up by organizing webinars, training. They even make phone calls to the customers. They close the sales. You don't want to get involved in that, right? So you want to make sure the business or the product you are promoting does all those things. So that means they should do 90% of the work while you focus on the 5 or 10%, which is just to share your link, right? So you don't want to go beyond sharing your link, recommending, and so that's all you should be doing, right? That's all you should do. Let the system do all the other things. Let the system do the follow-up for you, send out email on your behalf, follow up with the leads, close the sale. Yes, because they are the creator of the product. They should be the ones doing the selling. You shouldn't be selling to anybody. You shouldn't be recruiting anybody. Don't do that. Don't recruit. Don't sell. Don't call anybody. That's it. And the only way you could do that is by promoting product that has a automated system already. That's all. And that's why most of the time I only focus on products that have automated systems, because they get to do all the heavy lifting. All I do is just like this, just get people to come to their website, and that's all, and I walk away. That's all you should be doing, right? Now let's come to that. Now, how do you get people to the website or your link? Because when we say website, we mean your link, your referral link, your code, whatever. It's always a website, right? So when you join a business as an affiliate, they give you that link. And that's the link that you want to share all over the internet, right? So the third thing is to get discovered. Because look, it's a numbers game. Okay, when it comes to making money online, it's a numbers game. So what you want to do is to reach as many people as you can. The less people you reach, the less money you make, right? The more people you reach, the more money you make. It's just as simple as that. It's a numbers game, okay? Now, how do you get to reach more people? So mostly we use social media, because that's where the people are, right? The people are on social media. They are on Facebook, they are on YouTube, they are on TikTok, they are on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. That's where they are, right? So you want to reach as many as you can in whatever way you can. Right? So what do? You just post free ads on social media. Now, most businesses that you're going to promote their product, most businesses you are going to be promoting their product, they already have what you call marketing materials, almost all of them, right? So when you join a business, find where their marketing materials are, and then you download them, okay? So when you download them, you start posting them on social media. That's all. That's all I really do. Now you can if you are new, just post them like that. if you are have a little bit of experience, you can alter them a little bit, right? So that it doesn't look like every other person's own. So you could use ChatGPT to alter them, right? So that's the only thing. But you want to keep posting content on social media. And like I said, most of the time, these companies already have both images, videos, reels. They already have these things. So you don't need to create anything. Like one of the products that I am promoting, they already have up to 500 reels. Imagine that. So even if all I have to do is to repost their reels every day, for the next 6 months, like that, you get me, I already have materials for it. So that's the kind of thing I'm talking about. So you should choose right products, best companies, and that you need to promote, right? So that makes it easy for you. Like I said, the company does all the selling. You don't have to sell anything. Your only job, just keep posting every day. That's all I really do, right? I just keep posting every day. And then suddenly I would just see, hey, you've made a sale. It's so weird, but it's just as simple as that. All right, guys, I hope this answers your questions. If you have any more questions, you can leave it in the comment section, or you just privately DM me. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.